Hi, I'm Karthik. I'd like to give a quick demo on the foundational API that I have built. This foundational API streamlines development of multiple GenAI applications. This API consists of four endpoints: auth for authentication, RAG for retrieval augmented generation, search for vector search, and LLM for querying LLMs. Let's look at the search endpoint. The search endpoint retrieves relevant ingested vector embeddings based on the search query. Let me pass in a sample JSON. In this JSON, I passed a query as can you tell me about the Prometheus metrics? And I use the search type as MMR with FHK parameters of 5. We can see that the API correctly retrieves all the relevant documents along with its embedding in its metadata. Next, let me show you the LLM endpoint. The LLM endpoint has a generate, a chat interface, and also a batch generate interface. This is an API version of an LLM background. Let's look at the chat interface for an example. I can pass in a sample JSON, say my message is hey there, and my prompt as your helpful assistant, and some parameters related to the LLM. There we go. This makes it easier for users to experiment with prompts, especially when there are use cases involving prompt engineering. Also, this endpoint supports multiple foundational models, including Claude and open source models like Llama 3, which are handled in the backend. Next, let me show you the RAG endpoint. The RAG endpoint is a combination of search and LLM. Let's try passing a sample JSON. There we go. The API retrieves the relevant documents. And we can also see that once the documents are retrieved, the documents are then parsed and passed on to the LLM, which then generates the response as the user prompted. In this case, it's talk like a pirate. This short demo demonstrates all the capabilities of the API.